Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting problem in which we have to find the value of two unknown variables, that is x and y, and we are given two equations. So let's start. We are given x plus y is equal to 4. Name this equation as 1, and x raised to power 5 plus y raised to power 5 is equal to 464. Name this equation 2. Now from 1 we have x plus y is equal to 4. Now take square on both sides. We get x plus y raised to power 2 is equal to 4 raised to power 2. On solving this, we get x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 16, because we know a plus b raised to power 2 is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So let's bring 2xy on the right hand side. We get x square plus y square is equal to 16 minus 2xy. Name this equation 3. Now again consider equation 1, which is x plus y equal to 4. Now this time take cube on both sides. We get x plus y raised to power 3 is equal to 4 raised to power 3. On solving this, we get x cube plus y cube plus 3xy bracket x plus y is equal to 4 raised to power 3 is equal to 64. As we know, a plus b raised to power 3 is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. So on solving the above equation, we get x cube plus y cube plus 3xy. X plus y can be written as 4 from equation 1 is equal to 64. On solving this, we get x cube plus y cube plus 12xy is equal to 64. Bring this 12xy to the right hand side. We get x cube plus y cube is equal to 64 minus 12xy. Name this equation 4. Now multiply equation 3 and 4. Multiply equation 3 and 4. We get x square plus y square bracket x cube plus y cube is equal to bracket 16 minus 2xy bracket 64 minus 12xy. On solving left hand side, we get x raised to power 5 plus x square y cube plus y square x cube plus y raised to power 5 is equal to 16 minus 2xy bracket 64 minus 12xy. We can rewrite the above equation as x raised to power 5 plus y raised to power 5 and we can take x square y square common from these two terms. We get x square y square bracket x plus y is equal to 16 minus 2x bracket 64 minus 12xy. We know the value of x raised to power 5 plus y raised to power 5 is equal to 464 from equation 2. So put the value of x raised to power 5 plus y raised to power 5, that is 464 plus x square y square bracket, we know the value of x plus y, that is 4 from equation 1. So put the same as well. On the right hand side we have 16 minus 2xy bracket 64 minus 12xy. So taking 4 common from the left hand side, we get 1 1 6 plus x square y square, and from the right hand side we can take 4 common from this equation. We get 16 minus 3xy. So 4 to 4 cancel out. We get 116 plus x square y square equals to 16 minus 2xy, and in the second bracket we have 16 minus 3xy. Now assume xy as m. The above equation can be written as 116 plus m square equals to 16 minus 2m bracket 16 minus 3m. On solving right hand side we get 16 times 16, that is 256 minus 48m minus 32m plus 6m square. So 116 plus m square is equal to 256 minus 80m plus 6m square. Bring the left hand side to the right hand side, we get 6m square minus m square minus 80m plus 256 minus 116 equals to 0. On solving this we get 5m square minus 80m plus 140 equals to 0. Now by using quadratic formula we can calculate the value of m. So we have 5m square minus 80m plus 140 equals to 0. We can divide the whole equation by 5. We get m square minus 60m plus 28 equals to 0. Now we will apply quadratic formula to calculate the value of m. We know x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a for any quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So now apply the quadratic formula to our problem. We get m is equal to minus 16 plus minus under root minus 16 raised to the power 2 minus 4 times 1 time 28 over 2 times 1. On solving this, we get 16 plus minus 16 raised to the power 2 can be written as 256 minus 4 times 28 is equal to 112 divided by 2. On solving this, we get 16 plus minus under root 144 is equal to 2. It can be written as 16 plus minus under root 144 is equal to 12 divided by 2. So we have two value of m. We can write m1 as 16 plus 12 divided by 2 and m2 as 16 minus 12 divided by 2. m1 comes out to be 28 over 2, that is 14, and m2 is equal to 16 minus 12 divided by 4 is equal to 4 over 2, that is 2. So we have two value of m, 14 and 2. Consider the value of m is equal to 2, name it case 1, and we know m is equal to xy equals to 2. Also, we know x plus y is equal to 4 from equation 1, and we can write the above equation as y is equal to 2 over x. Put the value of y in equation 1, we get x plus 2 over x equal to 4. On taking LCM, we get x square plus 2 over x equals to 4. Multiply both sides by x, we get x square plus 2 equals to 4x. Bring the right hand side to the left hand side, we get x square minus 4x plus 2 equals to 0. Now we can apply the quadratic formula and we get minus 4 plus minus 4 raised to the power 2 minus 4 times 1 times 2 over 2 times 1. We get x equals to 4 plus minus under root 16 minus 8 over 2. On solving this, we get x equals to 4 plus minus under root 8 over 2. On further solving, we get 4 plus minus 2 root 2 over 2. Taking 2 common from the numerator, we get 2 plus minus root 2 over 2. So we have two value of x, that is x1 can be written as 2 plus root 2 and x2 can be written as 2 minus root 2. We can put this value of x in equation y is equal to 2 over x, and when x1 is equal to 2 plus root 2, we can calculate the value of y1, that is 2 over 2 plus root 2. Similarly, y2 is equal to 2 over 2 minus root 2. And similarly, we can do the same when m is equal to 14. That is xy is equal to 14, and we can find the other values of x and y. I would like to know the other values of x and y from you in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.